The arrival of thousands of new and returning out-of-province university students to Nova Scotia is a concern for many communities. We've been seeing low case numbers all summer long, but there are fears the influx of people from outside the Atlantic bubble could change that. Vernon Ramesar has more from Wolfville.
The start of the fall term is when local businesses get to cash in on students and their families enjoying the dining, shopping and sightseeing in the community. But these aren't normal times. Acadia University in Wolfville and St. Francis Xavier in Antigonish have decided to reopen with in-person classes and strict guidelines. Students from outside the Atlantic region will have to isolate for 14 days and take 3 COVID tests under the watchful eyes of their universities. Visiting family members and friends are also required to self-isolate for 14 days wherever they are staying.
We want people to enjoy it.
Wolfville Mayor Jeff Cantwell says his community has a large number of seniors, and visitors violating isolation rules is a genuine concern.
It is my hope that those who are coming to Wolfville have not been living under the rock that some expect they may, and are going to be responsible enough to practice the social and physical distancing.
Elizabeth Yeo, Vice President Students at St. Francis Xavier University, says they've been meeting with the town and RCMP to create a community response.
We have a working group. We've been calling it the Community Coalition, and that is been meeting every second week roughly for the last number of months. And through the collaborative work of that committee, we've developed a strategy that we're calling the Good Neighbor Strategy.
The urgency of the potential for COVID spread isn't lost on student organizations either. Brendan McNeil, president of the Acadia Student Union, says an outbreak could cause serious harm to the community.
It gets into community members or into local businesses and causes them to shut down. That's a real big fear.
Already, at least one student was fined $1,000 this week in Antigonish for violating restrictions, something all university campuses are hoping will be a rarity. Vernon Ramesar, CBC News, Wolfville.